we are going to discuss about trading tips by most professional traders. Okay, we are going to discuss in this video. Trading tip number 1: trade what you see, not what you think. Okay, whatever you see in the charts, you just follow that. Don't predict the markets and trade. Okay, this quote will tell. Trading tip number 2: trade smart or not always. Okay, don't go against the market, go with trend. Losers are inevitable, they are part of the game. Think in probabilities. Trading is a probability game. Do not focus on how much you can make, focus on how much to lose less. That means it will tell risk reward ratio. The smaller stop loss you want to put and the highest rewards you want to choose the entry. In the markets, it's just you. Trading is completely mental. Master your emotions. Your winning rate is of no importance, of number of importance, when your risk is reward is straight. Know your numbers. Make your losses your best teacher. Learn from your mistakes. Trading is easy in concept but very difficult in execution. Develop a strong psychology. The market is the biggest crusher of ego. Just show it and it's gone. Stay humble. Currency correlation is the key factor of consider while trading. Learn the correlation in currency trading. Never get too busy making a living that you are forget to make a live life. You will get the money when you refine your risk. Measure the depth of your risk. If you see progress with some practice, you will see perfection with more practice. Hustle hard. Trading tip number 15: if you can't handle the pressure, you are probably using too big lot size. Adjust it accordingly. Know your limits. So when you are trading, quantity should be in your limited. Okay, don't over speculate or news. You are a trader, not a economist. Okay, sometimes news will also not much impact on markets. You can't trade every single pair, but one pair can change your life. Okay. You can't control the markets, however you can control yourself. Develop self discipline. Your stop loss is more important than your take profit. Know what you can control. A trading plan is of no use if you don't follow it strictly. Okay, plan your trade your plan. Impulse skills, patience pace. Okay, you never lose from trying, but you lose from holding back. Execute when opportunity presents. Feel strict with your trading. Take a step back and reflect. Take the market isn't going anywhere. The market may not be predictable, however, it is readable. Learn to read price action. The hardest thing to do is to do nothing. Learn to wait and be patient. Trading means waiting, not doing buy sell always. If you start staying, if you start saying that was a good loss, you are on the right path. Losses are the part of game. A wrong trade make you hope and wonder. The right trade give you peace of mind. Take trades that feel good. The neutral mind is your biggest trading asset. Don't be too biased. Just follow the market flow. Win the battle between you first before trying to win the markets. Master yourself. Academic education gets you a 9 to 5 jobs. Financial education gets you out of it. Choose wisely. Financial freedom is freedom from fear. Don't be fearful, take risks. If you trade without stop loss, eventually you stop trading. Use a stop loss. This is very important points for new traders who is not able to place stop loss while they are trading. Okay, if you don't place stop loss means this will definitely happen. Your goal as a trader is to take the best trades. Money is secondary. Focus on becoming a better trader. Time is your friend. Impulse is your enemy. Think long term. Trade what works for you, not for your guru. Know the strengths and weakness of yourself. A, neut- a neutral mind is your biggest trading asset. Don't be too biased. How to make money is more important than how much. Money is scalable, process is not. An increase in trading size can decrease your trading performance. Don't allow pressure to hinder your ability. That means quantity size, that the lot size or quantity size, the trade position size should be manageable and controllable. Stay in the game long enough so that it finally clicks. Gain enough experience. Gains are built slowly, while big losses destroy the capital instantly. Focus on losing less. You can't predict or control price action. You can only control risk, entries, and exits. Focus on what's controllable. The best trading strategy in the hands of an emotional trader is a losing streak strategy. Trading is 80% of psychology. Your losses will determine your profits. Lose correctly. Trading discipline. Do what you should do, not what you don't want to do. Okay. Very important. Trading discipline. Do what you should do, not what you want to do. Okay. Okay. Plan is important. Follow your plan. Don't judge your performance on first trade. Judge is on 100 trades. Judge it is on 100 trades. Focus on the long term. Let price action guide you. It represents the decisions of the big players. Listen to what the market communicates. Tips and quotes are simple. The execution is what matters. Do you put in the work? There are millions of approaches to the market, but 90% of traders still fail. It's all about systematic execution. You have no profit while your trade is running. Follow your plan and close at your planned level. Don't get greedy or excited. Accept that anything can happen in the market. No trade is 100% certain. Plan your risk and take it. The biggest problem of a trader is that he wants it to happen too fast. Don't rush the process. There is no holy grail. There are multiple patterns that can make you money. Don't get out of a trade because of lost patience. Don't get into a trade because of lack of patience. Okay, when we want to hold the patience, when we don't want to lose our patience, it is very important. Don't get out of a trade because of lost patience, and don't get into a patience because of lack of patience. Okay, master your patience. Good, I like it. A profitable strategy does not mean a profitable performance. Execution is what you makes profitable. Okay, a winning forex formula: lose small and win big. Everything else is just details. If you are not taking a risk on your trading opinions, they mean nothing. Risk in order to gain. Doubt will kill you more dreams than failure will do ever do. Okay, stop doubting yourself. You will better fail. A loss cannot ruin you as a trader. It's the size of your loss that you will ruin you. Manage yourself, manage your losses. If trading was that easy, nobody would fail. Don't try to recognize what works and what doesn't. Traders trade differently. You will not win all of your trades. If you are not good at dealing with losses, you will not like trading. Losers are inevitable. Successful traders don't need luck. They play the probabilities consistently while managing risk. Luck is inconsistent. If you get depressed after a loss or euphoric after a win, then you become a casino. The outcome of every trade is random. Focusing on making money is not enough. Focusing on protecting what you have. Let go for trying to guess or know what you happen. Trade what is happening now. Trade what you see. If your position size is right, each trade should be one of the next 100 trades. Use the right lot sizes. No way of trading is right or wrong. It's about your personal perspective on it. Trade what you think is right. Don't try to see something when there is nothing. The market is not tradable all the time. Okay, it's exactly. Trading while have a losing streak is emotionally devastating. Don't try to catch up, take a trade and reflect. Success comes from what you do consistently, not occasionally. With trading, you can stay on the silence for free. Stay out of stay out and protect your capital. There is a difference between an analyst and a trader. Technical analysis is not enough. Identify your strength as a trader and focus on them. Don't improve your weakness. Build up your own strengths. Stop trying to avoid losses. Focus on keeping them small and maximize your wins. You can't avoid losses. Clarity comes after looking through the same lens over and over again. Train your eyes to see your patterns. A harmful flow of trader is to forget the past and let history repeat itself again. Don't allow yourself to make the same mistakes. If you want something to happen quickly, your behavior get worse, which makes everything harder. Don't rush the process. Keep your risk in ruin at acceptable levels while maximize your hard reward potential. Money management is the key. Don't search of the best strategy. Focus on the perfecting a simple approach and apply it consistently. Our only skill is to plan and manage ourselves in the market. We decide whatever we should trade it or not. Know what you can control. Trading is a winning game. Trading is a waiting game. The hardest you will ever play as people want things to happen so fast. Be patient, don't rush. It's it's crucial to understand that almost nothing turns out as expected. Always accept the negative outcome because buyers also is there, sellers also is there. We want to think both sides. Your stress depends on how will you interrupt all the information and build confluences. Confluence. Read between the lines. Document your journey. Document your traits. Document your feeling. Only by taking notes of things you will see your growth. That means you want to write down the trading journal. Wait until price illustrate your pattern and entry point. No forced trade until it presents. Learn to wait patiently for your setups to play out. You can't finish a trading education and become a pro. It's continuous process. There is always something new to learn in the market. You can only win when your mind is stronger than your emotion. More money is made by increasing your account balance, not your risk. Be a skilled risk manager. Being able to swiftly change your bias in the consistency changing markets condition is a key skill to have. Flow with the markets. Don't let go too soon, but don't hang for too long. Cut your losses while small, take your profits while available. Be grateful, find the balance. Differentiate between a right and wrong trade. The wrong trade will make you hope, the right trade will give you calmness. Always follow your rules. It is not about a magical strategy, it's about finding what works best for you and applying it with street risk management. There is no trading secret. Every trader will see a chart in a different manner. Focus on your understanding of price and don't be influenced by others. Trading is unique. The best trading plan is built by analyzing your mistakes and turning them into positive actionable steps. Take note of your mistakes, okay? Trading is the only business that pays you for waiting. If you don't wait tough, you will end up paying the markets. Be patient, not rush. Okay. If a chart doesn't make sense in the first few seconds, leave it. Don't overcomplicate and force any analysis. Know what you look for. The only things we can do as trader is to calculate our risk and apply our edge on a consistent bias. You can't control the markets. There is nothing wrong in taking a break from trading. The market will always be there. So make sure you are a fresher. You are fresh. Take care of your mind. Fear is the hardest barrier to break in the trading. Once you emerge about fear, everything is possible. Master your fear. A technical trader or edge comes from reading price action. If we get support stopped out, it means we read it wrongly. Accept it and move on. Try to balance out being a good risk trader and risk manager. Take risks to increase wins, manage losses to survive. Trading is all about risk.